What does link in bio mean on Instagram? Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll explain what link in bio refers to that you can find on an Instagram profile or Instagram. Now, as the name suggests, link in bio refers to the clickable URL that you can find and add to your profile section. Most social media platforms give you the option to add a link to your bio to take followers to your website, product page, content, or some other important page. On platforms like Facebook and Twitter, adding a link to the home page of your website may be more than enough. But it's a little different with Instagram. Accounts with 10,000 plus followers do have the option to share links to their stories, but those that are still building their following have to leverage the single link in bio to direct followers to a product page or a piece of content. Now, to do so, if you open the Instagram app and head over to your profile by tapping on the profile icon on the bottom right of the screen, and if you can see the option to add link right here. Now you can add Facebook link or you can add external link as you wish. For now I'll just write external link and URL here, and title is tutorial. So you can see the link has been added, and if I go back to my profile you'll find the link, and if you tap on it, it will redirect it to the link. So the link in bio refers to the clickable URL that you can direct your followers to your website or product page or content or some other important page. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.